Hey, it's good to have you here. Imagine being at an airport check-in desk. You can listen to this. You can speak along with me, or you can just watch. It's all enough. Next, please. Hello, how are you today? Hi, I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. Where are you flying today? I'm flying to France, Paris. May I see your passport and your booking confirmation, please? Yep, here's my passport and here's the booking confirmation. Thank you. Any bags to be checked in? Any big bags, suitcases? Yes, I've got one suitcase. This one here. Just the one suitcase, no problem. And did you pack your bag yourself? Yes, I packed it myself. Any prohibited items, liquids or batteries in your luggage? No, nothing like that. Okay. If you can please place your suitcase onto the conveyor belt. Thank you. Okay. Yep, that weight is fine. Phew. Are you taking any hand luggage? Any smaller bags? Yeah, I've got this rucksack as hand luggage. Just the small rucksack. And yes, that fits the size restrictions, no problem. Ah, great. Any seat requirements? Would it be possible to have an aisle seat at all? Yes, we do have an aisle seat available. Ah, fantastic. You are in seat 14B. Here is your boarding pass. Thanks very much. Good news, the flight is on time. Oh, that's good to hear. Yeah, always nice. Well, you will be boarding at gate 12, starting at 2:15. 2:15, 2:15. Okay, lovely. Just a question. Where is security and passport control? Security, the big sign over there. go straight on, straight ahead until you reach the escalator on the left. Take that escalator and security will be right in front of you. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight to Paris. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye. And to end today, I will say, relax with your English learning. I'm glad you were here. Have a lovely day and see you in the next video. Bye.